Hey everyone, we just kicked off our seed starting season with Lisianthus and Delphinium.
Yeah, today we planted 5 varieties of seeds. As for the Lisianthus, we've got Roseanne Black Pearl, Voyage 2 Lavender, and Voyage 2 Champagne. And the Delphinium, we have Magic Fountains Mix and Magic Fountains Cherry Blossom. Of course, all of these varieties we just shared with you in our recent seed haul video, but today is the first time we're actually getting the seeds, touching the soil, and it feels really good. Now you just saw us do this whole entire process. So what we started with here was our Grow Ease seed starting tray from Gardener Supply. If you remember from our video, it is self-watering, so it saves us a ton of work during the seed growing season. Then we got some seed starting mix in a bowl, got it really wet with some water, and then we went to town. Now there's a couple different methods here for planting these seeds. Lisianthus do need light to germinate, so if you noticed, I did not cover those with soil. Delphinium, however, do need darkness to germinate, so I did cover those with some soil. Now, if you really want to get fancy, you can cold stratify your Delphinium seeds by throwing them in a wet paper towel, popping them in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks, and then you're kind of mimicking outdoor environment with cold temperatures. We don't usually do that. It's just an extra step that we skip, and we have pretty good germination with Delphinium. Now, as you can see, we've planted all the varieties in one singular tray. We're doing all of this inside of our house, so we're trying to save space. So we've got them separated here just with some name tags. The only thing I think we may run into some issues with is Lisianthus do like to dry out in between waterings. Yeah. So I may not fill this tray up as often. If anything, maybe we'll just bump them up into their own little containers once we get them up and growing a little bit so that we can control the watering a little bit more. But we usually have really good luck with Delphinium, so we're excited to see these grow.
Yeah, if you guys are interested in starting seeds, hopefully this was a helpful video for you. If not, we have a few more coming up very soon because we still have plenty of seeds to start this season.
I think that about wraps this project up. We're going to grab these and go put them under our grow light, but before we go, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click that subscribe button below so that you get all of our updates every Wednesday right here on Gardener in Love, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!